This is NDYS team from Taiwan. I'm Jennifer from Fengxin Senior High School. We want to say something to our Japan friends to encourage the people who suffer from the disaster in March. We hope it can stimulate them and let them know that there are so many people concerned about them and pray for them every day. We are there for every friend who care about them all the time. This is the students from Zhongzhen Armed Forces Preparatory School, CCAFPS.
Japanese friends, don't lose your faith. Be stronger. We will always be with you. We love you. We are the students from CCAFPS. I love you.
This is the students from Fengxi Junior High School, FXM.
Japan, my friend, 頑張れ、go go go！
我们的日本朋友们，我们都非常担心你们，关心你们，你们一定要好好加油，干巴爹 ！You are not alone. We support you. 加油！
This is the student from Fengxin Senior High School, FHSH.
ポゴノはあなたの友達です。大変ですよね、分かって、諦めない、頑張ってお願いします。
You have to believe yourselves that you will have a nice day in the future.
God love you, we love you too.
Come on, 加油！